Hey guys, Breadman here, and I'm just giving an update on a storm. So, happy to no school today. It's a Thursday, February 9th, I think. Oh, now it's getting really bad. Tree might fall. And so, yeah, there's not going to be that many. I don't get how the snowstorm. We didn't get any snow on Christmas. We get snowstorm today? Like, literally, why not on Christmas? Makes no sense. So, I'm thinking, what should I call my subscribers and viewers? Bread rolls, Club Penguin fans, or I'm trying to think. Overwatch fans. Which one should I do? Comment in the comments below saying which one I should probably call my subscribers and viewers.
I suggest bread rolls.
And so, yeah, I'm pretty sure one of these trees might fall in. Bye.